In this video, we listed the 5 best vlogging cameras under $300 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX Digital Camera. This point-and-shoot long zoom camera is equipped with an 18.1 megapixel MOS sensor and a powerful 60x optical zoom DC vario lens, 20 to 1200 mm, with optical image stabilization, OIS, making it ideal for capturing distant subjects with clarity. Its high-resolution 170K dot electronic viewfinder and 3-inch touch-enabled LCD display, 1040 dots, ensure clear visibility even in bright sunlight. The camera supports 4K QFHD video recording, 3840 by 2160, with unique features like 4K photo modes, allowing users to extract high-resolution stills from videos filmed at 30 frames per second. Designed for low-light performance, it delivers impressive results in nighttime photography. Additional features include USB charging, Wi-Fi connectivity, HDMI, micro USB, and USB 2.0 for versatile device integration. Supporting RAW and JPEG formats, the camera offers expanded ISO starting at 100, a maximum aperture of 2.8 mm, and metering modes like center-weighted average, multi, and spot. With a maximum resolution of 4896 by 3672 and a compact design, this camera is perfect for travel and versatile photography needs. Number 2. Canon VIXIA HF R800. The Canon VIXIA camcorder is a feature-packed device designed for capturing high-quality videos and images. Equipped with a 3.0-inch capacitive touch panel LCD screen, it offers bright and clear visibility even under sunlight, ensuring ease of use outdoors. Its advanced CMOS image sensor delivers stunning full HD video with vibrant, natural colors, even in low-light conditions. The camcorder features a 57x advanced zoom for dynamic shooting and includes a super range optical image stabilizer to minimize camera shake for steady and sharp footage. With a maximum aperture of 2.8 f and support for SDXC flash memory, it provides excellent versatility. Additionally, the device can function as a high-quality webcam using its clean HDMI output. Wireless and USB connectivity options further enhance its usability, making it an ideal choice for both casual and professional videography. Number 3. VETEK Digital Camera. The VETEK digital camera is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for both photography and video recording, making it ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It features 4K video capability, 48MP photo resolution, 16x zoom, and a variety of modes such as video pause, time-lapse, loop recording, silent recording, and self-timer. Equipped with a CMOS sensor and digital image stabilization, it delivers high-definition, realistic images. The camera includes a detachable 52mm wide-angle and macro lens for capturing expansive landscapes or intricate details, with manual focus for sharp 4K photos. It supports PC connection for file transfer or live streaming and HDMI output for direct playback on HD TVs, compact and lightweight, weighing only 0.57 pounds with battery. It includes built-in artistic filters for creative photography and video content. The device comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, 30 to 50 minutes each, and supports charging while recording. With a 1/4 standard tripod thread and hot shoe, it is practical for various shooting setups. Offering 24-hour customer support, this camera is a great gift option for loved ones. Number 4. VJIANGER 4K Vlogging Camera. The VJIANGER 4K Ultra HD digital camera is a compact and lightweight device designed for beginners, teens, and amateur photographers, making it ideal for travel and vlogging. It features a micro Four Thirds mount, a 16:9 aspect ratio, and a CMOS photo sensor that supports RAW and JPEG file formats. The camera offers 4K resolution, a maximum focal length of 8 mm, and a maximum aperture of f2, with digital image stabilization and 16x digital zoom for capturing detailed shots from a distance. Its autofocus function ensures sharp images, while its flip screen and webcam functionality make it perfect for vloggers and content creators. Additional features include time-lapse, slow motion, continuous shooting, smile detection, beauty mode, self-timer, and multiple filters. The package includes a 32GB microSD card, 2 batteries, a Type-C cable, and 52mm wide-angle and macro lenses, along with support for external microphones and tripods. With HDMI output for TV connectivity and a portable design weighing just 0.57 pounds, this camera is a versatile choice for photography and videography enthusiasts. Number 5. KODAK PIXPRO FZ55 BK Camera. The Kodak-friendly Zoom FZ55 is a compact digital point-and-shoot camera designed for amateur photographers and videographers. It features a 16MP CCD sensor, 5x optical zoom with a 28mm wide-angle lens, and digital image stabilization for capturing high-quality photos and 1080p Full HD videos. The camera supports multiple aspect ratios, 1.50:1, 16:9, 4:3, and offers versatile shooting modes, including landscape, macro, portrait, and automatic. Its 2.7-inch LCD screen provides a clear display, while the built-in Li-ion battery ensures portability. With an ISO range of 100 to 12,800, automatic exposure control, and a maximum shutter speed of January 2000 seconds, the FZ55 adapts well to various lighting conditions. The camera supports SDHC memory cards up to 512GB and features Class 10 UHSI flash memory compatibility for fast data transfer. Additional highlights include a lightweight design, 0.23 pounds, built-in flash with multiple modes, and USB, HDMI connectivity. Ideal for everyday photography and vlogging, the FZ55 is user-friendly and delivers reliable performance at an affordable price point.